Hi, this is Lee. I'm from Middlesbrough and this is the Staple Gun Challenge. Up 69.
Again. Let's go right now. What the fuck? Ay, bastard! Now you better say like, hi, I'm Lee, and
Hi, I'm Lee, and I'm just pulling these motherfuckers
I look
out
set to see me.
on this one.
Ooh. Oh, hang on. Ooh, you've got a bleeder there, boy.
Oh, let's bleed it out, baby.
Oh, he's got a bleeder. Fucking hell.
Bleeding all on me. Look at that.
Are they all out?
No, well, I'm bleeding on my chest. Look at my chest.
That's fuck all that. It's the one down the side of your head you want to be worried about. Let me look at this.
What's this? What's going on?
It's coming off the side of your head.
Pull it out.
It's
Pull
out.
it out. It's
out.
It's
out.
out.
Say bye.
Now have a look.
Say it's been fun.
Get down.
Say it's been fun.
It's gushing out.
Say it's been fun.
It's been fun. I
Say bye.
appreciate everything that you've done for me.